the states which were directly under the British rule, they will like automatically become the part of India, right? But those states which are princely states, they had the option of joining either India or Pakistan, or they can remain independent. So this was the option, but there were certain conditions as well. So one of the conditions was, for example, if you want to join Pakistan, so there was a condition that you must have contiguity with Pakistan. What does it mean? That if there is Pakistan and there is India, so there should be some kind of this contiguity. कुछ contiguity होनी चाहिए आपके और उनके बीच में, तभी आप ज्वाइन कर सकते हो. इट कैन नॉट बी लाइक कि आप यहाँ बैठे हो और आप वहाँ से ज्वाइन कर लो, पाकिस्तान के साथ मर्ज हो जाओ, ये नहीं हो सकता. ठीक है. सो उसी को ध्यान में रखते हुए when we started our integration process, we had to integrate these states in India. Now this work was done by Sardar Patel and it was done by him very well. And इसमें actually हमें पता नहीं है, but Mountbatten also played a very important role. Okay, so this you must remember. You can search about his role. He has done a quite good job. So Mountbatten started this integration process. So while he was successful in integrating most of the states through his diplomacy and all, but there were certain states like Telangana, Junagadh and Kashmir which decided to remain independent. Rather, Junagadh wanted to join Pakistan, but since it did not have any contiguity, and there's a whole story behind Junagadh, that how we stopped essential supplies for Junagadh and had to finally surrender. So then the plebiscite was done in Junagadh and we were able to integrate it as well. Telangana we were able to integrate it through police action. You just need to know that there is a story behind it definitely, but we cannot discuss everything here, right? Then with Pakistan occupied, or to say with the Jammu and Kashmir, we signed Instrument of Accession and we joined Kashmir also with India. Now हम कहाँ थे अभी? मैंने क्यों बताया ये? मैंने इसलिए बताया कि we have done a lot of मेहनत to integrate these states to make a one unified India. इतनी सारी मेहनत हमने की है. And after that what happened is, जो डिमांड्स पहले से चली आ रही थी since long, the demands to have a separate state on the basis of language, वो फिर से इमर्ज होने लगती हैं. तो बिफोर दैट देखो 1950 में हमारा कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन बना, लाइक द कमेंसमेंट ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन हैपेंड इन 1950, और वहाँ पे जो क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ स्टेट्स जिस तरीके से बने गए थे, वो क्लासिफिकेशन था पार्ट ABCD करके. ठीक है, ABCD. ठीक है. बट लेटर ऑन हम देखेंगे कि ये क्लासिफिकेशन किस तरीके से हटता है. अब हम